Hey there, future AI enthusiasts. Ever wondered how you could harness the power of artificial intelligence without diving into the complexities of coding? Well, today, I've got something exciting to share with you. Welcome to BuildAI. It's a gateway to a new era of AI application development. Now, I know what you're thinking, building AI. That's reserved for the tech wizards, right? Wrong. With BuildAI, you don't need to be a coding genius. Imagine crafting your very own AI-powered web apps tailored to your personal needs without breaking a sweat. And guess what? No technical skills required. So let's dive into it. Let's say you want an AI tool that writes scholarship essays for college. A game changer, right? All you have to do is enter your app details, like the scholarship essay generator, and click generate. It's that simple. Now, fasten your seatbelts because here's where the magic happens. Once your AI app is ready, start entering your queries, your problems, and watch as your AI solves them effortlessly. Imagine the possibilities. Imagine a tool that not only builds but evolves with you. With BuildAI, you're not confined to a static creation. Refine and improve your prompts, ensuring your AI app stays ahead of the curve, always adapting to your needs. But that's not all. We've made it even easier for you. Click Save Your AI to preserve your brilliant creation, and when you're ready, hit Publish Your AI app to share it with the world. It's like turning your ideas into reality with just a few clicks. Now, why should you care about this? Whether you're a tech whiz or just someone with a vision, BuildAI empowers you to transform your ideas into reality.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.